Hi, welcome to my community. Today I am going to share about 3 things which can help to launch and scale your online business. Stay till end of this video because I am going to share also the free resources which can help and can learn about online business. Before getting into this video, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Manish Bhandari and I am an affiliate marketer, and I also help solo entrepreneurs to launch and scale their business online with productivity action and digital tools. So let's jump in and see what are those 3 things which is required on a priority to launch and scale your online business. So I will share my screen. So I made a mind map about online business. So there are 3 components required on a priority. Without this, you cannot launch, you cannot scale your business. You can launch, but you cannot scale your business. Okay? If you want to do a long-term game and you want a long-term profitable, even limited customer, then you should have these 3 things intact when you're doing online business. Okay? Number 1 is traffic. Traffic is the how you can make people to click on your link. Okay? In online business, it's about everything about the message, and message, how you communicate, how you bring people in your world or to your product and services is through a link. So link, to click on that link, how you can get a people up to make them people to click on that. Okay, so that is called traffic. If you have a shop, offline business, if you have a shop, if there are 1,000 shops, how you can bring that particular person to your shop? You might be having a boards, you might be having a signage, you might be doing a different type of promotions. So that is called the traffic. The second component is leads. Now once they come, traffic has you have generated, once they come to your shop, how you can communicate with them? That's where you require a data of your customer. Okay, you require a name, you require an email ID. So that's called a leads. Third is the sales. Once you have the traffic, second you have the sales, second you have the leads to communicate, third you can sell your product and services and can make sales. Okay, so these are the 3 components of the similar as you required in offline business. Now there are 2 things, components of traffic, that is social media and paid media. In social media, you can go to Facebook, you can go to Instagram, you can go to YouTube video, you can go to Twitter, any kind of social media free of cost. You can go and sell your product and services. But you have to remember one thing, that for a limited time, you cannot scale your business. You might be doing 1% of transactional business for one time, but you cannot scale for a longer time. So for that, you should always target a customer through a paid media, because the platform will help you to reach people on a more faster way, and you can decide you can target only those customers which can be useful of your product or services. Now in leads also there are 2 components. First is the website, second is the landing page. Now to collect the lead, the traffic from social media or paid media, they should land up to your website. Okay, website, and the second is the landing page. Once they come to website is like a shop. When they come to shop, they have a trust that you are a serious businessman and you are not a cheater or a scammer on a social media or an online business. So they will trust you and they will start researching about you on your website. Okay, that is where you will tell about yourself and what is there for them on your site. Second is the landing page. Landing page there are so many products would be displayed, and there are so many call for action will be there, like click here, register now, no more, download this. So all these are called call for action. Once they click that, they will be going to particular landing page where you can collect their name and email IDs. This is required to communicate in future. As I said, if you don't want to do a transactional business one time, and if you want to earn a longer profit from single customer, then you should have a landing page to collect their data. Third thing is the sales. Sales also has a two outcome. That is, one is the outcome, second is the result. The most important part of any business, whether offline or online, always you should concentrate on this part. That is outcome and the result. What is the outcome or the result can give your product to your customer. Once you very clear on this, the solution for the problem of your customer, then they will go ahead and pay you. So, if you're doing social media marketing, you're making them awareness. Okay? You're making them awareness. So starting a business, you can start with a social media where you can aware of people. But as soon as you make them aware, you want to target or reach your customer in a faster way, a similar customer or a targeted customer, and if you want to reach more people, you need to do a social, as I said, is a paid media, where you can make people more curious. Because in social media, you're making them awareness and it is very limited. The people who are following you or people who are in your friend list, only those can see. But if you can do a paid media, you can reach to many people and hook up or make them curious to know about your product and services. In website, if you have a website, then you can make them to know about you, you can make them interest to know about you. So once they come to your website, there might be a lot of colors, a lot of content written on it, there might be a lot of videos where they might get more interested in you to know more about your product and services. That's the reason you should have a website. Landing page. Landing page creates a desire. Once they come to your website, there will be a call for action, as I said, click here, register here, download here. That time they click and they come to your landing page, particularly whatever their desire is there. So whatever their interest shows, and once they get that desire, they click on that particular call for action and they come to a landing page where you can capture their name, email ID, phone number, or whatever resource depend on your business. The third in sales, as I said, most important part is the outcome. In outcome, they take an action. As I said, once they get an awareness, once they become a curious, and once they become curious, they show interest, and once they show interest, they become desire, and after they get desire to want something, they take an action, and they take action only when they find an result or outcome, whatever you are selling from, whichever they are going to get from your product and services. So once they get a result, once they get a confidence that they are going to get a good result from your product and service, that time they are going to make a payment. Okay, let me give an example here. People buy a Maruti 800 and people buy a Ferrari also. Both are the four-wheel drive, four-wheel car. But why people buy Ferrari and 800? You might say they are rich who only buy the Ferrari. No, it's not only about because of rich. It's about the experience. It's about the feeling. It's about the feeling what they are going to get out of it. If you see a city like in Bangalore, where if you go in Ferrari or even 800, it will take almost the same time to reach one particular destination. But still, people go for a Ferrari. Obviously, they have money, But it's not only about money. They're looking for an outcome which are going to get them, make them more precious, or more, make them little, high class. That feeling is called an outcome or a result. Okay, so people don't buy a product or services, they buy a outcome or a result. So always starting or thinking or coming up with some idea to start your own business, whether an offline or online, always remember what is the outcome or the result your product is going to give. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to me. If you are want to learn affiliate marketing, then I will just give you a link in this video. Just go and type affiliateonlinemoney.com. There is a free masterclass webinar is happening from my mentor. He is a successful online marketer. He will show you how to start and launch your affiliate marketing business in just 30 days. Okay, so go and attend and click that link that is called affiliateonlinemoney.com. Just go in that website and register yourself, and you will all need to learn about affiliate marketing. If you want to launch your online business, then you can just get in touch with me. You can just type manishschool.co/121. I repeat, Manish, MANISH, school, SCHOOL.co/121, numeric number 121. Just go and you will get an appointment. You can fix an appointment with me as per your wish, and where I can help you how you can start your business online. It's a completely free, both the webinar and both the one-to-one call. So link I have given in below this video, and see you inside, and let's connect, and wish you all the best. Thank you so much.